This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet HHR. Unconventional shape for unconventional style. It has a 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a power driver's seat, and satellite radio. You could have peace of mind knowing that this Chevrolet is backed by a 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. Plus, it passed a 117-point inspection and has been reconditioned to make sure it's ready to be driven home. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.